Hello. Hello there, my gems. How you doing? How's the kids? How's the grass? You have a dog, right? How's the dog? Well, today I'm coming to you. Gonna do a little natural hair update slash routine. It's been a really long time, about a year, since you last saw me shaved all my hair off. I look like this and everyone's like, are you dreading? Are you dreading? No, I'm not dreading. It's not what's happening. If you saw my last video, I put straws in my hair. And this was the outcome. So today I will be washing my hair and doing a little wash and go with using only 3 products to make it work. I will be using dollar store. This was like $2 conditioner, and then my Shea Moisture baobab and tea tree oil low porosity protein free conditioner with spearmint extract and clary sage. These 2, and then once I'm done, I'm only gonna use the Aunt Jackie's coconut curl recipe curl boss gel to get the curls going. All right, so I'm gonna go wash my hair with those 2 first conditioners and I'll be back. So here I am. Let's check. Here. That's fine. Take our Aunt Jackie's curling smoothie. Start off in the back and work our way to the front. The front of my hair is kind of long, so it needs a bit more product, but let's give you guys a little talk. So since I big chopped, I haven't been really doing anything too drastic with my hair. In the beginning, I literally would wash it every day because I was bald. I mean, what else do you do, right? And boys, don't they wash their hair every day? So I was washing my hair every day, and then I'll put gel here and there, do little puffs and goes. Puffs and goes, puffs and goes. I use this thing like nobody's business. I was doing little puffs and goes, and then eventually I got to a point where my hair was braidable. So what I did was I went to the shop and I got those Senegalese twists that you guys saw in one of my videos. After that, I decided to do some small kinky twists for myself. And then after those kinky twists, I kept wearing my wigs. Wigs and go, wigs and go. And now I'm at a very decent length. I really don't even need. Do I want a part? Or do I want it loose? I always do loose. In between that time is when I decided that I had low porosity hair. You know, self-diagnosed myself with low porosity hair. And that's when part. That is when I started using the Shea Moisture Low Porosity conditioner. I haven't really shampooed my hair that often. Maybe since the whole process of me cutting my hair, I may have, you know, shampooed my hair, I don't know, 3 times. It's been a year. Maybe a little bit less. And then recently I did do a, what is it called? A clay treatment, where you do the apple cider vinegar and the Aztec clay just to, you know, heal the hair or something, to get all that gunk out. And it does bring it back to like life, and it gives it some a little bit of kick or whatever. It kind of revives all your curls and yeah. It revives all your curls, clarifies it. It kind of takes place of the shampoo wing that I should have been doing. Well, you don't have to. I don't like to shampoo, but it takes place of that. I also did a silicone mix. That is also one of the times that I did shampoo my hair. With the silicone mix shampoo. And then, what else? I'm not sure, but I didn't do it often. So, I haven't done anything too drastic to my hair. Like, oh my gosh, I had a serious regimen kind of thing. I didn't. I was just going with the flow, washing my hair and seeing what it likes. But I did. The only thing I could tell you that I did was test out different gels. I test out all the Eco Stylers, literally, even after it was canceled. And I find that in the beginning, the green one gave me the best results. And then I tried the red one. It was like, eh. And then the gold one was amazing. I didn't try the black seed. And then that's when I think I saw a YouTuber. But I did see a YouTuber try the Aunt Jackie. So I'm like, ooh, let me try it out, see if my hair likes it. And of course, I used all of the gels. I made sure I was done with all of my gel before I moved on to the next, because the way my life is set up, I can't afford all these products all at once. Even though I used to do that. I'm learning to budget and only use what I really need, you know? So I went and purchased this. I want to say, how much was it? Like, it was either $5 or $8. Not sure, but you know it's Aunt Jackie, so it was probably in the $8 range. And I'm not sure how long I have it, but you guys see that? Compared to this. Ooh. I can use a diffuser, but I'm not sure if I want to use a diffuser.